Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I just want to greet you from the beautiful city of Querétaro, Mexico. We have been here many times during our travels throughout Mexico, and to be quite honest, it's probably our favorite city. There's so many cities that we love, but we absolutely love Querétaro. Querétaro is not very far from Mexico City. We left Mexico City and we took a bus. It took us about 3 hours to get here from Mexico City. We did Primera Plus, and it was about $20 per person. And the seats are like first class seats. Absolutely amazing buses here in Mexico. So I'm going to give you a tour of our Airbnb today. And some of the pros, things that we liked about this particular Airbnb was the location. This is a fairly new building, and we actually toured one of these units last year. It's a lot of units here that are for sale, and they're building, and they did a lot of building before the pandemic, and kind of everything came to a halt. And then so now they are going back in and continuing to build. So a lot of units are for sale if you like it. And the other thing that we liked about it is it's close to the mall, but it's also close to the historic center. So we can get over to the historic center in about 15 minutes, 15-minute walk, and we walk everywhere. So um, we can do that. So that's kind of nice. You get the nice pro, I guess, plus of having the historic center there, so you can do all the activities and get involved and things like that. And we have friends that are staying over in the historic center, but then you can kind of get away from it, and it's very quiet here, which I love. The thing with Mexico City is kind of loud, barking dogs, people playing loud music and partying and having a great time with their family and friends. So I do try to do some work during the day, so it is a lot quieter here in this building. Also, the security. Most of the time, you guys know that have been with me when I'm researching for my trips. I spend a lot of time researching. So this place has a lot of security. You have to go through a gate to get into the where the condos are at. They're all high rises. They have like 3 or 4 towers built right now. And then once you do that, you have another security when you to get into the actual building itself, and then there's a security guard there in each building, and then you of course come up to your floor on the elevator. Another thing is this particular Airbnb, the host was very responsive to any requests that we have, so super nice. They do have AC. It's only in the living room area though, but Querétaro is cold at night. So I'm talking to my relatives, and they're like, "Oh, it's 100 degrees, 90 something." No, it's like 80s here, warmer than Mexico City, but it's still a little chilly here. And at nighttime, we actually have to put our jackets on. We met some expats for dinner last night. It's about 20 of us, and we're like throwing on our jackets and stuff. So at night it can get pretty chilly here in Querétaro, but I love it. Most of the time throughout the year it's 70s, 80s, beautiful weather. It does get a little warmer, like in April, and they do get some rain around this time. It's the rainy season. Another thing about Mexico is some places that we've been to have not had hot water, and so this place has wonderful hot water, no problem there. So that's one of the reasons why we wanted a newer building to stay in, so we didn't have to have those concerns about taking a quick like military shower in out. So that's been kind of nice. Some of the cons I would have to say is the cleanliness of this particular Airbnb. I just spent this is a Saturday cleaning. Kind of not up to my standard, but I would stay here again. Definitely would stay here again. I love this building. I mean, it's clean enough, but it's just little stuff for me. And then the kitchen was lacking some of the pots and pans and things like that. He had like one pot, one pan, well, maybe two pans, but not any pots or anything like that. So we had to go out and buy that kind of stuff. So that was a little frustrating, but small price to pay. It was pretty good price on this unit, and we're going to be here for 3 weeks or so. So nice. Another thing, he doesn't have a filtration system. He has this little thing set up that you pour water into to kind of filter, but I don't know if I trust it. So we've been buying a lot of bottled water. So yeah, lugging a lot of water back and forth. It's been a little inconvenient. So it would have been nice if we had one of those that some people have actually installed into their kitchen where it filters it and it's just included there. So that being said, we are doing great. We're having a great time. This is our first week feeling better. We were sick for a little while with the change in temperatures and everything else, but we're feeling great, and we've been getting out and about, and I'm gonna give you guys a tour of our Airbnb. So I'll show you the inside from we got to the first day, and then I'll show you the outside of the condo, the area outside during the day, and then also at night. Okay, hope you guys are doing well. Take care, and I will see you later. Bye. So this so this is our Airbnb in Queretaro, Mexico. So this place is actually a condominium. It's a one bedroom. So when you walk in the door, there's a stackable washer and dryer unit, a hot water heater, and an actual place to, I guess, hand wash items. So you come through here, very modern. These are been recently built in the last couple of years. I think they started before the pandemic. So you've got a nice size fridge, not a full one like we're used to in America, but a nice size fridge, coffee maker, blender, gas stove, which is always nice. Nice counter space. And here is the living area over here. It's a place to eat. And the sofa, air conditioning. And the best part of this unit is the outside space, the balcony. Oh my gosh, so nice. So I'll just open this up real quickly here. Come outside. What's nice about this place is attached or is adjacent to a mall. And so there are a lot of restaurants that you can go there, shops and things like that. So you have you see a big hole there. They're building a new one over there. So they're selling them pretty quickly here. Okay, coming back into this area and go down here. What this alcove is supposed to be, I guess you could put a bookshelf there. And then here you have a TV. They call this a TV room, and a desk, a little spot for you to sit and relax. And I didn't raise the blinds here, but yeah, you can look out over there and see that area. And over here is the bathroom. So nice counter space. And here, love the sink and a big huge shower. Nice shower. And then come on back here is the bedroom. So very large bedroom, and nice view. The only thing about this place, I wonder, will you lose your view once the other building's built? So maybe you'll get like a peekaboo once the other building's built. So I don't know how that would work. And over there you see in the background is the mall. And malls are a thing here in Mexico. Unlike America, where we're kind of getting away from malls. They love them here. So very nice mall here. So we'll be here for a couple of weeks here in Queretaro, Mexico. So this is the outside of the condo that we're staying at. You see they have a nice playground for the kids. It's a very nice community, pretty quiet, beautifully landscaped. They're building a lot of these towers, and a lot of them are for sale. So come on down to Mexico and buy your piece of property. Yeah, you see here they have a pool, a really nice pool deck over here. Swimming. And very nice clubhouse in here. So there's like a kitchen, a party room. You can have caterers come. So very nice. It's all brand new. It's very nice. There's another building there. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. second playground. And then we're standing in this building over here. So it's a beautiful day in Queretaro. It's pretty cool this morning. I have on shorts and I'm like, ay, it feels like it's maybe upper 60, maybe 70.